How to edit text. There are some neat ways to edit text on your iPad. Before we begin, there are two things you need to know. The first is that blinking vertical line that is called the insertion point. That is where the text will begin. The second thing is you need to locate the delete or the backspace key. It's at the far right of the first row of your keyboard. It's the key with the little arrow and the X inside. In this mail message, we have some errors. We're going to touch and hold the text near the error, and without lifting our fingers, we're going to slide it to the error and place the insertion point to the right of the error. All right, I have it between the two U's. I'm going to tap the backspace key or delete key, and then I am going to tap the O. So there we go. How about dinner tonight? Double tapping a misspelled word like PIK causes the selection options to appear. This black menu offers lots of choices. All you need to do is tap an option to activate it. I will tap the replacement option. I'm given 3 words to pick from. There you go. Looks like the word restaurant is really messed up. Let's tap it, move the cursor over by the R. Sometimes it's not easy. All right, and we can remove these spaces and then insert the U. There we go. You pick the restaurant. To delete an entire word or phrase or paragraph, you can double tap on a word. I'm going to double tap on TYE. Note that the word is selected in blue and that the grab points appear on either side of the word. Since I want to delete that whole sentence, I will drag the grab points to expand the highlighted text to include more words. Again, the menu appears, and this time I'm going to select Cut. And the entire sentence disappears. If I want to delete that row, I will hit the delete or backspace button, and everything is moved up. If you have a large amount of text, you can quickly move the insertion point around with this trick. Tap and hold the space bar. Notice it becomes blank, and it's really going to act like a trackpad, so you can move your finger anywhere around that trackpad to place your insertion point anywhere you like.